Ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing? It's your friend. I'm back again. Stay tuned because today, what I'm bringing on your way today will blow your mind. Let's get it.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing today? It has been a great day and I'm grateful to Almighty God. Today I'm bringing another part 3 of the video I was doing before. The person you're seeing on the video, the update about him for those talking about Ebili, like he said, and he said we have to congratulate him. So congratulations to this young man here. He has done great for himself. At least he's 24 years, like he said, but he has acquired 2 hotels and he's about to open another house by Easter. And also 20 people he gives cards. It's not easy. And also he built home. He built road for his people and all that good things he has acquired. So congratulations to him. All right, so now news in details. So Oga, give your life to Jesus Christ. He's only way, truth, and the life. He's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. If you don't have him, you are lacking behind. But if you have him, with all this you acquire, it's a great joy. And the blessings, more blessings. So consider giving your life to Jesus Christ. You and your crew need to accept Jesus into your lives, because tomorrow might be too late. Like young Kiti, you were ending Jesus like I say go na when the onion and one. Ekwusi go and you were ending Jesus like higher power protect and so consider giving your life to Jesus Christ. Okay? Can you hear?
So thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Please guys, if you love Jesus, share this video to get to onye nwe the video. Biko, share the video.